No, let's do the same thing. Oh, give me a fucking break. I'm so tired that I can't even think. Yep. It's really false. Oh. So I don't know why he's saying it's not valid anymore. Okay, don't give up. Let's take a look. Do I need to write that damn code again? Why didn't I commit it? So we are going to test what the fudge is going on with checking invalid, because it was working fine and now it's completely whacked for no freaking reason, and I start to lose my patience a little bit, and that's why I start to swear and say I'm grumpy and everything. Yeah, excuse me. So let's give it a try. Sometimes I notice when I get angry and really in a bad mood, people actually like to come and listen. So it failed in the first test. But I'm not going to be grumpy on purpose just for that. And the funny part is the first the first fucking test the columns. That's being one of the columns has the same number, it says, which is 8-4. The last column, number 4. No, that's the last row. Number 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 3. Oh wait, the opposite, sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Look at that. Look at that. Who the hell solved this puzzle? Okay, calm down. He put 2 3s in here. Should I call the guy who's cleaning to show him my roommate? Like, oh my god. I'm sorry, but I waste a lot of time just because this thing is not valid. This is furious, seriously. I'm sorry, Code. I doubted you. You were a good man, but you have been doubted over and over. Okay. I believe this one is better. And if it's wrong, then I will trust my code. I'll trust the code. It's almost like entering credit card numbers. Maybe I should make 3 lines. Let's check the first one. 5, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 6, 7, 2, 1, 9, 5, 3, 4, 8, 1, 9, 8, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 9, 7, 6, 1, 4, 2, 3. See, we have 4, 2, 6, 8, 5, 3, 7, 9, 1, 7, 1, 3, 9, 2, 4, 8, 5, 6, 9, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7, 2, 8, 4, 2, 8, 7, 4, 1, 9, 6, 3, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 8, 6, 1, 7, 9. Let's give it another try. All right. Now let's remove the last 4 numbers and give it a try. And we go back to the forum and actually print all the attempts and see where it goes. If the memory gets filled again, we will remove the printing. Did I save? Dude. I didn't save, yeah. No, this is infinite loop. This is infinite loop. I could see it. It's always 4 zeros. Oops. Hopefully it's a fast fix. Hopefully it's a fast fix. Hopefully it's a fast fix. I don't want to stay here forever. Oh. Actually, the brutal force thing, I should move it to the Sudoku thing. So let me do it. Move this one. Move this one. And put it in here. And we make a static solution. Oh no, solved Sudoku class solved 1 or version. Yeah, let's make static. I don't have too much brain power. If I want to make each Sudoku have its own solve Sudoku, we need to make a helper. Which, remember, the original Sudoku that we sent. And only when it gets through, but I don't have too much brain power here. Sorry about that. And here we will call this one. And only when this one is true, we give this one the Sudoku one, and we make this one public, and the algorithm public, and we close this one. And let's have a joke. Validify. And this one, we use this one. No. Him and his stupid challenge. And the stupid guy who accepted the challenge. All of them are stupid. So for some reason, we have infinite loop somewhere. So if SS is greater than 0, and if not, we are changing the value, then why the hell do we keep receiving the same SS? Oh shit, that's why. Because we are sending the reference. Do you remember when I said reference problems? There you go. So all the calls must receive a value. We don't want the reference. Right. Nope, still infinite loop. Okay, what's the problem now? So this one have the last four zeros, 0. So x should be incremented in here. So x should be 1. What? Oh crap. If you're still following, please notice this, and if you're good in C#, I will give you 5 seconds to tell me what's wrong with this sentence. Okay, let me help you again. What's wrong with this sentence? This one increment after the aftermath, after it fire everything, and that's why you see it in the loop, that after you do that, you do it. We did it here. Hopefully I'm not mistaken, hopefully. Because if I'm mistaken, I will look like an idiot. Oh? Nope. This is not the right solution. This is not the right solution. One is here. So we have a problem with the last function in here, I believe. In here, we incremented the v, but we didn't do anything to go back. We need to find a way to go back to try again. And to do that, you need somehow to call two recursive together. So I believe we are so freaking close now. We need to discover how to make it when it reach v is greater than 9 to step back. So do you remember the page that I was reading in here? So the recursive case, it says here, make it smaller problem, but we still have a problem, but the smallest after the pace. So usually every time you advance, you get a little bit closer. So I have a base case 1. I have base case 2, which is the failure. And this is the recursive case 1, which getting us closer to either failure or success. And this one just passing, so it's getting us closer. It's pushing the x, and x when it's pushed, it pushed the y, and the y if it's pushed. So this is so far correct. This one, it changed the value and either call this or this, and this is our problem. We didn't make base case for V, I guess. Let me read more. What's wrong with me when I click on the calculator? So this one use what's called the backtrack. What it does is it goes to check if there is a next line in the file. I know this is not clear, sorry about that. This one load the file in iterative, while input has next line, and it prints the next line. To make it a backtrack call in recursive, this is how it's done. And recursive is just a tool, a very powerful tool for geeks, seriously. This tool is fantastic, powerful, fucking hard to build, as you can see. And by the way, what I'm dealing with is linear, is easy, is freaking easy comparing to 3 level of recursives. If you have 3 level of recursive, that's the pain, that's the true pain. Because some of the functions you see, it call itself inside itself, and it do different cases, and it goes whacked. From there it goes really whack, and they increase in a crazy way, very crazy way. What I'm dealing with, that's why I thought it will take me 3 hours, and I'm working since 3:30. Damn, 6 hours now. Seriously, this is taking way too much. So to do the recursive, it actually increment immediately. It keep incrementing, then it put the values. But the thing is, I already done that. I put all the values and stopped. I need to make another step to go back because the values are invalid. So this is this is not what I'm seeking. And this one return a total. Public static in sum int n. If n is less than 0, return 0. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how recursive works, so I can build my solution from how it works. And I'm not sure what he's doing now. So here, He's calling himself and then return a total. Okay. So when n is 0, it returns 0, nothing. When n is 1, it will return 1 plus 0, which is 0, and it's 1. When it's 2, 2 plus 1 plus 0, which is 3. Okay. So in summary, I need to think about these 3 problems. How do I break the problem into one or more problem? What are the base cases? What do I need to combine? So maybe this problem is a different problem. That 9 fails, it's not valid. When we don't have a case, if it is not valid, no, this is the case if it's not valid. We increase the V. Oh, we don't have a case if V is greater than 9. Yeah, V can go higher than 9. Actually, what's the sad part is, he add 1, and he said it's valid. And 1 is not valid. That's what the sad part. Oh! Maybe because... Yeah, because he backtracked from a successful return because this one went there and then called this one. I see. So this is not working like this. This should be else. And here we have a problem that this doesn't return because yeah. Should be easy. It should be easy. Think a little bit. If it is not valid, like the one we just add, we try another one. And when we try another one, actually we need to remove the number we just add. So we can add it here and see if it's valid or not. Then we send it again and check. Here we have a condition, or maybe not. If V is 9, I don't know what to do with it. It's killing me. Yeah, this is the only step that I'm not sure what to do with it. So, let's think how the computer thinks. I usually do say that. 6179. So imagine if we add a number here that's valid, and we add a number here is valid, and add a number here is valid, but we didn't find any valid number in here, which it doesn't make sense in Sudoku, to be honest. In Sudoku, if we go from here to here, there is no way to reach to the end and see it invalid. If we see invalid, it must be before. It must be before. There is no way that I reach here and there's only one number like this, and oops, I don't know what's this number, and all these numbers are valid. This is impossible in Sudoku. This is completely impossible. And this is the funny part. If this one must be known, then this line must be known. We can never reach this line, and all of these are invalid. This is impossible. Are you following? Hopefully you're following. So this line doesn't matter, kinda. The second we enter this number, we know it must be valid. I mean, maybe he will put number in here that's valid. Let's say 561847. No, it must be, because this number is guaranteed by this column. So 561. So 1, 2, no 3. This is 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is 4. I don't see any 4 in here. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's 5? So this must be 5. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. See, the columns guarantees that these suckers are valid. So when do we know the last step that can be valid or not? Hello. Sudoko. Someone challenged Arabic programmers to make a program that can solve Sudoku. So he says, make a program that loads Sudoku and it can complete it. So I'm trying to work on that. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait a fucking second, what? I solved it. Give me a second. I believe the last statement I put to shut up the compiler solved the issue. And I will hate myself if that happened. Give me a second. Okay. Remove this number. Remove this number. Remove this number. Remove this number. I don't think it's working. I need to know the last condition. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. I'm sorry. What the fudge? 4268. 4268. Yeah, it's working. What? Okay. I shouldn't make it that heavy because you know brutal force is not user friendly. Great. Nope. It's screwed up. Yeah, it's screwed up. It gave me some numbers that 11 and stuff. It's totally screwed up. So yeah, I almost there. I'm almost there. It thinks it completed it, but it didn't. So we need to figure out the last special case. When do we get stuck? Whenever we say 10 and we know 10 is not valid, when do we really don't want to see 10? And what do we do? Because I gave this return true to shut it up actually, and this is not the true way to do it. We need to backtrack somehow. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, let me return back and think about it. So in this case, whenever we reach this case and we have all the numbers, it should be already known. But what if these numbers are wrong? And this is the question. So actually return y if it's greater than 8 is not the right way to do it. It's not the right way to do it. Yeah. I need to write the description. What the hell is going on? But to be honest, I might complete this behind the scene. But I want to save a video to show the people, hey, I did it. I didn't cheat it. Spelling. So here, there. So people can get happy. Not feeling they get cheated that I'm working on the game engine, because when I work on the game engine nobody cares actually. So but when I don't work on the game engine, everyone wants to see the game engine. Dilemma. Let me see. So this one is false. This is not how it works, because no, we just said that it is we cannot arrive here if it is valid in the last step. So actually this is an impossible case. And because it's an impossible case, it must be complete or invalid. We didn't put a valid one. There is no other cases. But actually there are ways to get no. If you start a Sudoku correct and you started from there, it's impossible by brutal force to make it false. Okay. So this is impossible case, but it is there. It is there. So if the Sudoku is fine with the new value, we increment x and add 1. If it is not fine, we increase v to 0. If v is greater than 9, what should we do with it? This is the question. Yeah, how do we backtrack? It's kind of funny to ask this question. I'm really fucking bad with this recursive shit. So let's see recursive function. Yeah, maybe I need to do this. The stupid dimension. Let me try to do it. I will stay here as long as it takes. So it will keep happy adding numbers till it gets stuck. And when it gets stuck, v will become greater than 9. And in that case, we need to go back and add the old v. Here. Oh, easy. Easy. So if this one easy. We need the condition of if v is less than 9. Yeah, I'm fucking confused. Thank you. If v is greater than 9, then we return this, the old one, like we going back to the x. But with v, so this is valid. If we use this, the current v, this is valid, but we don't like this answer because it's validated and yet it didn't work. So we take the other one. So if 5 is correct in the example, and we took another number, and we reached to the 9, and it fails, where does it fail in the code? It fails here. Oh no, wait. Yeah, it fails here. It's not valid. No. Yeah. So if it is not valid, it will try again, but this is a recursive try, which is just taking more memory. Till it goes about, yeah, this is the backtrack fucking thing. This is the backtrack fucking thing. Pray. Oh man, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. We have one more 10. We have 2 10s. And he seems he was happy with it because where are you, damn it? So he tried here, and then he kept trying here, but he kept failing. So he should return to these values when v is equal to, yeah, good luck tracking that. Oh, great. I believe this is the second backtrack. So he tried to add 9. Then, what is x? 8 and 3. I see what's going on. It's a double fail. 8, 3 is 0. This was previously a 9. And the step back was another 9. So we have a 9 and 10 following each other. No? Yeah, we have 2 10s in here. And both 10s followed by 8s. And I believe this 8 is incorrect. Let's see. Actually, both of them, remember, 4, 8. I believe it works by columns. This is a headache. But yeah, both of them are followed by 8. But apparently, The 8s are correct. 2 and 2. Is that a coincidence? No, actually he didn't solve it in the correct way in the first place. So he wasn't backtracking very well. He wasn't backtracking very well. And I can already see the problem. I can already see the problem. That's the condition is not very good. Because it's only backtrack once. It doesn't backtrack twice. What if I do this? Totally fucked up. Yeah, totally fucked up. Because this is check both conditions. If it is valid, then continue, and if it's not valid, then continue. Oh, wait. No, it gave me the same crap solution. I'll bring a drink. This is killing me. The funny part is I'm almost there. I'm almost there. So I'll be right back for a second. So we are at x2 and y1. This 0. And v is 1. So he's going to try 2. And 2 apparently is the correct number. No. It is a correct number. What the hell? He's trying 3. What the hell? It's kind of fucking hard to read. Who's printing 81? It's killing me. Anyhow, I want to print v x and y. So v is 1, x2 and 1, x2 1, 3, 4, what the fudge? Wait a minute. Don't tell me he's reading it in the other way. Let's print P2. Life. That's why the V was printing the wrong numbers all the time. Alright. So x2 and y1 is this one. Let me restart. The stupid damn scrolling wasn't working. And I will put that on the left size so I can compare it easily. Okay, this number should be 2. 672. But he seen 2 and didn't like it for some reason. Don't fucking tell me. I seen a number has been changed, but I'm not sure which one. So X became 3. And V became 1. So the algorithm already is not working. Because it should SSI when V is equal to 2 should be valid. So this one should be 2 and this one should be 9. And there was a bug that trying to get in my nose. And apparently he get the 9 correct. But this one it failed to get it correctly. And it just passed it. Like why? Why? So I'm not sure why this is let's see the final result. What the fudge? He got it correctly somehow. Even though the first time it passed it, it didn't know what the number is. So this is the gaps, and this is the first one he stumbled on, because he checked from here to here, I didn't. So he get this one correct, he get this one correct. And we have all these four. And he get this one correct, 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 correct. And we have this one and these three. Correct, 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 correct. These three. One, two, three. Nope. You get this one wrong. This one is 5. And it could be 3. It could be 2. But unfortunately, this is 2. So he couldn't backtrack to this number. And this one too. And because this is 2, he considered it invalid. It shouldn't be 10. So the problem is, he couldn't backtrack enough to get rid of the 2. He shouldn't accept 9 at all. But for some reason, when he reached to this level, and V, the old V is already 9, and this one, the old one, is 9, he just incremented and become 10 and he accepted it. I got the weird idea, but I'm not sure if this is the correct one. What if made a condition like this, and return this one? So actually, I could use a recursive helper somehow to call these 3 instead of doing it like this. But let's take a look. Let's take a look. Great. This is the correct solution. The 2, the 9, 5, 9, 7, 6, 5, 8, 5, 6, 8, 2, 3, 5, 1, all of these missing. Anytime now. No, stop. V hit 200. The hell? Dun 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 dun. Maybe the condition is not here, but in here. Yeah, this is almost like playing around, but I believe I can fly. I believe the condition should be here, between these two. But if I put it between these two, I'll put it and it in here, it's the same result. Oh, he doesn't agree with me. He doesn't agree with me. Stupid Sudoko. He accepted all the numbers above 10 immediately. Congratulations. No, think. You are almost close. That's the annoying part. You're almost close. If it is valid, increment X. If it's less than 9, increment the V and keep going. If it's greater than 9, return back here and increment the V. Because the number that was successfully correct in the first time, like the 2 that we selected in here, which is supposed to be 5, is not correct. So add 3 and check if it is valid. If it's not valid, increase the V. If it's not valid, increase the V. If it's not valid, increase the V. So as I said, there is a condition here. Because he will arrive here again. Isn't that the first thing I did? And he started doing stupid crazy numbers? I believe. If V hit 9, oh, wait. Fuck me. This is not, doesn't want to work. This is really doesn't want to work. Okay, backtrack. If 2 is not valid, it was valid and we are not happy with it in here because one of the stupid numbers get 9. Go to the back state, the last back state, and return this. Can I do that? No. No. Oh wow, imagine if I should do that. No, I don't think so. It will be a cheap trick, but let me try. Actually, I can do while v is less than 9 then. No, that doesn't make sense, does it? Okay. No, let's return. Okay. If I already confuse you, then congratulations. That's my job today. No, same result. Same result. This should be 5, but he was happy with 2, and he just took it. Same result. I cannot get it. I cannot get it. This is not the right way to get it. Even though it sounds valid, because if v is less than 9, then it return back and go back here. Oh, wait. Oh man, this is unreachable law statement. Because why it's unusable? Why? I thought it was there. Yeah. It's kind of sad, and I'm almost there, and I'm sure if it is another condition where it doesn't need a lot of backtracking, it will solve it. And actually, yeah, I saw that, but I figured out that I'm not dealing with the V9, the value that exceed 9 in the correct way. So I could tell there is a problem. So I kept digging, and I wasn't happy with the result. And here you go. It doesn't backtrack twice, it backtrack only once, or I don't know how many times. Somewhere it fails. And yeah, let's continue here. So if he is happy with all these numbers, but actually this number was wrong, but we don't know it's wrong, except when we reach 9. When we reach 9, that means it's wrong. It's definitely, this must be not 10. So if all of these correct, this one must be not correct. So we try again and again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So are we doing this? I believe we do. So we change the value in here, and this is the sad part. When I checked when it's valid. This number, do you get it is valid when v is 9 at 2 and 1. Three and 1. and he believed this is 5, and he believed this is 9. So I believe this one is 9 for some fucking reason, and he believed this one is 5. He's correct in this one, but not in this one. One and 2, he believe it is 1. Which fee is he fucking taking? The fudge. Oh, sorry. This is his give up. One and 2, he believe it is 2, which is incorrect, and yet he returned it as valid. Maybe in this scenario, actually, if I add 2, nope. Dude, what's wrong with you? Oh, that's what's wrong with him. So 2 and 1, he believe it is 9. Once again, which is in this case is incorrect. This is killing me. Why do you believe this is 9 and this is not 9? Definitely not 9. Yeah. I don't know. Apparently, it's valid. Is not. Okay. Last try. Because I start to get tired, to be honest. I start to get tired. Oh my god. He didn't put the value. He didn't put the V. Why didn't he put the 2 and the 9 or whatever in here? Take it easy. I don't think this is the problem, but I'm losing my patience. Come on, copy the value, will ya? I don't know which button to press. Yeah, he didn't change the V again. What did he change then? What the fuck did he change? What the fuck did he change? What the fuck did he... Okay, take it easy. So you have all these zeros. You have this one. You have these three. You have these 5. These 2. He changed this value. What about this one? Yeah, for some reason he changed this fucking value. This one, the last one, like, yep, it's inverted. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Fucking calm down. Okay. Do you know when do I need to cry? Is when he give me the exact same result. Even after I inverted everything. It wasn't the problem. Once again, this and this are incorrect. But because this one, he failed to see that he backtracked this one, and he backtracked this one, but he couldn't backtrack this one. He failed to see this is not 5. And from there he screwed up. So this one is wrong. And he almost got everything. But this one is incorrect. And I got this result like 7 years ago now. This is embarrassing. So yeah, sorry about that. Couldn't solve it. I'm getting tired and even more tired. And this will start to become sorry but problem. If you loaded other Sudokus, I'm sure it will be solved. Unless if he doesn't backtrack more than 3 times. It works. Other than that, I don't know if it's 3 or more, but apparently he failed on the 3rd step from the backtracking. But I don't know how far did he backtrack before the 5 too. So maybe it's 4, I don't know. But in certain area he screwed up. I tried my best. And this is not fun anymore. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Actually, I will start making my company files, because I'm going to request an invoice to make an icon for the company, and I'm going to get domain and emails for the domains and everything. I got my budget, and so I'm going to work on that for a few days and see how it works. And see you next time. I don't know when.